Network technology is constantly changing, and network managers hold the key to keeping their network up to date and secure. Students enrolled in Nash Community College's Information Technology Network Management program will learn the tools, techniques, and technologies to design, implement, secure, and manage network infrastructures. This important concentration focuses on design, installation, configuration, and management of network infrastructure technologies and network operating systems. Students also learn technologies from industry leaders like Cisco, Microsoft, and VMware. Network management career opportunities are available in a variety of industries, including government agencies, banking, education, telecommunications, and private business and industry settings. Graduates can obtain employment as network administrators, and system analysts. For more information about the information technology network management at Nash Community College, visit nashcc.edu or call 252-443-4011.